Yeah, now we are in SM Clark in Hypermarket. And directly when you come into Hypermarket, you have this bakery here. But you can be quite delicious thing they sell here. And the price is not high, 57, 55, 50 for pig in the blanket, hot dog. Yeah, many things. If you're a little hungry, you have there. But now we go into the store here. And no queue today. It's like 1:30 in the afternoon and not much people here. So let's just go inside here. And they also sell clothes, traveling bags, and house equipment. Best price. And they also have a television. Air condition they have also. They have many things in this area. Then of course many people go here for the food, to buy food. But if you're out to buy TV, fan, they have it. They also have furniture, refrigerator. So here they have a less 50% discount, for example, on frying pan. So I'm gonna look here for this one, 20% off the price. Excuse me, this price is the original price, and now you have this.
4,000.
Yeah, exact. Do you have it? You have it here now. So if I want to buy, I can get it.
Yeah.
And then you have it flat in a box.
You mean?
Yeah, this cabinet.
Knockdown, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have.
You have.
Yeah.
Is it how long time you have this price?
Until 18.
18.
Yeah.
Oh, well, okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, a little interesting to buy that cabinet for the condo. So here you see they have sofas and other things. And here they have rice. Yeah, they have many things here. And you can have a discount card from SM also. Yeah, thank you. And then you have chicken here in this area. And then you have pork in the next area. Meat first. 340 for ground beef. Hamburger you can buy also here. Pork. And then they have fish area here. Shrimp. Shrimp cost $4.99 a kilo. So that's quite okay. Salmon. It cost salmon steak $9.83. And here is more fishes. And then also they have here sausage. Imported thing also they have. Hungarian sausage. Salami from Hungary also. Many Hungarian things. German sausage. Egg. Butter. This Emborg is not bad company to buy from. Yogurt area, milk, and here they have ice cream. Off the price on Nestle, 1.3 liter ice cream, $2.85. And here they have vegetable and fruit also. But this is of course cheaper to buy in the market than buy here. But here they have little off the price also, yeah. So it's a big place this. I don't know if it's the biggest in Angeles, Clark. I think so really. And here you pay, if you have green basket you pay here. But if you have this bigger wagon you have to go to other cashier.